describe it as something similar to like a year in college. It's you go through these classes, you have them once a week. They last a few hours, and it's quite intensive. It was learning about the insurance industry as a whole and how society does things. So I guess you have a lot of meetings with your group, and you have a lot of interaction with your team in these classes. You gain a lot of knowledge about how each department works at society. But I think the most important thing that I took away from the class was the relationships that you developed amongst the people in the company that a lot of times I probably wouldn't have worked with that closely. So you kind of go through this experience of this class, and like I said, I've built relationships with people in every department that now, looking back in my career or going forward in my career, I can talk to them if I have questions. I have resources for each department, which I think is very important. And like I said, not having that, not having this class, I probably would have never known these people at this level. And again, it's a great resource, I think, going forward. I think it's changed it quite a bit. I mean, like I said, now it's great because I've been here for 7 years, and I always thought I knew what each department did, but now you have a greater understanding of how we're all interconnected and how the importance of how we all fit into the role as and this goal to the company's success. So it's a great, like I said, I have a better understanding, better perspective of how we're all important in what we do, and every job we have is different, but it all fits in one way or shape. I would recommend it. Like I said, I think if you are serious about your career in the insurance industry, it's great to just, like I said, get you a better perspective of what everybody does and how we're all important in our own way. So I would definitely recommend it in that regards. And like I said, just the relationship piece, I'll be able to use that years from now in working with people in underwriting, from IS to people, like I said, I never would have been involved with before, and now I have this great resource if I ever need it in my future. I think one thing is it is going to be hard, and it's going to take a time commitment, but it's worth it, and I think anything that you do that's worthwhile will be work. And like I said, for this class and us being the first group, it was a lot of time away from your normal job and with the meetings and with everything, but looking back on it, the positives that I took away from it were definitely worth it.